Important note, this video is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decision. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Here's your market briefing from Rumour with AI. Crypto markets are witnessing a historic shift in dominance. Hyperliquid's HYPE token has surged to a new all-time high of $74.67, effectively overtaking Solana's price per token. This milestone signals a structural realignment in the digital asset hierarchy, driven by aggressive institutional ETF inflows and robust technical momentum. While Solana remains a heavyweight by market capitalization, HYPE's price action suggests a decoupling of unit price from total value, highlighting investor appetite for high-velocity, exchange-native assets. In the broader equity and private markets, the spotlight turns to aerospace giant SpaceX. The company has filed an SEC document setting its initial public offering price at $135 per share. This pricing implies a staggering $1.75 trillion valuation, surpassing prior estimates and cementing its status as one of the most valuable private companies in history. The Nasdaq debut is scheduled for June 12, a date that will test the limits of institutional demand for non-tech megacap exposure. On the macro front, the Federal Reserve's latest Beige book reveals a troubling trend. The ongoing conflict in Iran is fueling a sharp spike in U.S. energy costs, which is now driving inflation higher. April's preferred inflation measure has hit its highest year-over-year rate in months, complicating the Fed's path toward rate cuts. This geopolitical premium on energy is reshaping the inflation narrative, forcing policymakers to weigh growth against price stability. Simultaneously, equity traders are navigating a complex volatility environment. A widening dispersion trade is mounting systemic risk as stock-specific volatility diverges sharply from falling index volatility. This disconnect suggests that while broad indices may appear stable, individual company risks are escalating, demanding sophisticated hedging strategies for portfolio managers. In related news, Bitmine Immersion Technologies is doubling down on digital asset exposure. The firm has launched a $300 million preferred stock offering, yielding a 9.5% dividend, to fund its Ethereum Treasury. This move mirrors Strategy's playbook, aiming to capitalize on Ethereum's long-term value despite recent Treasury losses. It underscores the growing institutionalization of crypto assets beyond simple spot holdings. Looking ahead to today's release, attention focuses on the United States at 12:30 Universal Time Coordinated. Initial jobless claims will be released, offering a real-time pulse on the labor market's resilience amid rising inflation pressures. Additionally, keep an eye on Australia's balance of trade data at 1:30 Universal Time Coordinated, which will provide early clues on global trade flows and commodity demand. That's your market briefing. Follow Rumour with AI for daily market intelligence.